Standard of proof refers to the level of certainty and the degree of evidence necessary to establish proof in a criminal or civil proceeding. The standard of proof to convict is proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Depending on the jurisdiction and type of action, the legal standard to satisfy the burden of proof in litigation may include beyond a reasonable doubt in criminal law, clear and convincing evidence in fraud in will disputes, preponderance of the evidence in most civil cases, probable cause in the acquisition of a warrant or arrest proceeding, reasonable belief as part of establishing probable cause, reasonable suspicion in cases involving police stop and searches, some credible evidence in cases necessitating immediate intervention, like Child Protective Services disputes, some evidence in cases involving inmate discipline, substantial evidence in many appellate cases.